Happy Saturday. So it's laundry time. Wala tayong kuryente. Oh my God. Look at what happened outside. Tingnan natin. There's a cat. This is a stray cat. Oh my God, this one, this cat. This neighbor's cat. This is not our cat. But I'm feeding them. I'm feeding him every time. Every time she goes. Heavy windy kagabi. It's very windy last night and then power interruption last night at 11. So mga 11:30 electricity has been back until the morning, and then recently just maybe an hour ago naman so we don't have electricity at the moment. We don't have Wi-Fi. It's panda. Oh my God, we don't have internet connection. So we don't have electricity, we don't have internet connection. Na ano? Na ano?
Ang tubig, sabi ni nanay, parang may bula daw. Diyan sa dispenser.
Alam niya, pag nililinis niya yung ano, yung Tupperware ko, aalawan mabuti kasi usahay pag may pagkain na nasa sabon. Makakain. Pagkain na nasa ba iba?
God. Let's go up. Mahalata mo talagang ang lakas talaga ng hangin kahapon. Oh. Look at that. It's very windy. We don't have electricity tonight today pala. So, yan. Ang damo na naman dito. Sino naman kayo naglilinis? Hindi na lang nila ipalinis. Ay, naku. Hello ka. This is me. We do not have electricity at the moment. Yeah. In some places in Mindanao, there is typhoon. They call it hurricane. Di ba? In some other countries, they call it hurricane. Yeah. So what are we gonna do now? We don't. Oh, windy. Oh, look. It's windy. Buti na lang nakabalik na si Nicole ng Cebu. I'm gonna rush my laundry kasi baka mamaya at least nakapaglaban na tayo. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm going downstairs para continue natin labanin natin. Bilil malamok kasi hindi mo siya sinara. So, tuloy natin yung ating video. Nako, wala pa rin tayong ilaw. Don't have electricity, guys. So, just done some laundry. Laundry thing. Maybe meron silang inaayos na nasirang connection line. Yeah, because here if you don't have electricity, of course you don't have Wi-Fi as well. So all in one. Ba, ano iniiyak ni Kelly yan? Wow, ang ganda ng bed. Kaninong bed ito? Is that Kelly's bed? That is Kelly's bed. Begel, wow, anong ginagawa ng bikla dyan? Kumain ng bikla, boy. Kumain ng bikla, boy. Kawawa. The dog was in heat kasi kaya siniseparate namin ito. Oh. This is Kelly. Kelly. Kelly, harap ka. So, let's go. No internet. No electricity. Oh my gulay. So, what can we do? Ayan. Buti na lang I got a lot of speakers, guys. Got a lot of speakers. I got how many? 3? 3 lang pala. And then there is another one coming up. So I got 4 speakers. I'm using this. Ito sa pamangkin ko tayo kay Nicole. Yeah. So when I'm watching Netflix on my phone, I don't have a TV inside my room. So when I was watching Netflix, I was watching it on my phone. But of course, we have a big TV screen outside. Yeah, and this one, I use this when I'm singing live stream. So the name is My Concept. Maganda naman yung My Concept, kaya lang medyo madali siya malowbat. So pang mini karaoke yan. And then this one is the big one. Oh, okay, bagong bili natin yan.
Nalaban, ma'am?
Wala na, day. From Temo. Sa Temo ko ba ito binili? No, Not in Temo pala, in Shein. Shein ba? Oo, sa Shein pala. So, this one is nice. So, hindi nyo masyado makita kasi naka-ano. May holder siya. Oh. Diba? From Shein. Shein ba ang pag-pronounce? Am I pronouncing the word correctly? So, from Shein. Oh, diba? Nice siya. Mini speaker, karaoke din yan. Karaoke speaker, the same as this one. But this one is smaller. Oh. So, small naman ito. Pero nice din naman yung quality niya. Nice quality as well. Kaya lang yung battery life niya, maybe medyo mababa. But this one is bigger. Yan, di ba? So, this one is nice. And I have another one coming on the way here na for delivery. Kaya lang hindi siya patayo. It's pahiga naman siya. Pahiga siya. Tapos dito, meron siyang, I'm gonna show you soon when I go live. Meron siyang slot dito so that you can put your tablet or phone, diba? So that you can read the lyrics. Kasi ngayon, ang mga ngayon, nagbabasa na kami ng mga lyrics. Nagbabasa na ngayon ng lyrics ang mga singers. Yes, when you're performing on live. Well, before, unlike before pala, when we are performing our, when we're performing nightly, we don't need to read it, the lyrics, kasi memorize na namin, so we know it. Ewan ko ngayon, bakit nauso na yung reading, nagre-read na tayo. Mahirap yun minsan, guys, when you're reading and you don't memorize it. Kasi sometimes, pag nagkamali ka, or minsan, na-loading ka, di ba? You forgot the lyrics and then you forgot what you're singing. So, mahirap yun. It is better na memorize mo talaga yung song. Before, did you know that before? Have you heard about the song hits? Song hits before, way back 1980s. 80s, 89. I started singing on the band 1989. So 1989, we don't have internet, we don't have Wi-Fi, of course, we don't have phone, no phone pa. That year, wala pang phone dyan. So, what we are doing is, bumibili kami ng song hits in the market, in the bookstore. So, dun sa song hits na yon, you can see yung mga songs na gusto mong kantahin. And then you can see the lyrics there. So, you memorize it. I'm not saying it the night na magigig kayo and you put the song hits there in front of you. No. You need to memorize it. So, memorize talaga namin. I don't know, bakit ganun? Dati, memorize talaga namin yung mga song. Pag sinisipra namin, when in terms of sipra, they call it sipra. Practice. The first day na ipapractice mo yung kanta mo, syempre papasadahan ng mga bandmates mo yan, mapasadahan nila yan, mga 30 minutes only. And then after 30 minutes, they will play that music and then you will sing it, di ba? So siguro mga 2 or 3 days, memorize na namin yung song. Siguro ngayon, kunyari ngayon namin ginawa, tomorrow, ganyan. On the next day, memorize na namin. Mabilis kaming, the memory, dati, ang bilis namin mag-memorize. Way back 90s, way back 80s singers at saka mga band. Mabilis kami mag-memorize. So ngayon, wala na. But yung mga songs na, yung mga previously songs na, yung mga songs namin before, I mean, what I'm saying is yung mga standard, yung mga songs dati na nasa line-up na namin. Of course, memorize pa rin namin hanggang ngayon. Pag naalala namin. But there was a time na kumakanta ka na you forgot the lyrics, di ba? That could happen to anyone, di ba? So, nangyayari talaga yun. So, that could happen to anyone. So, siyempre isipin na, oh my God, ano pa susunod doon? Kaya nauso siguro ngayon, yung naka-front sa'yo yung mga cellphone. So, this is what I'm using. I have a big speaker there. I have 2 extra here. So, 2 phones. So, here, kunyari nasa YouTube tayo, naka-live ako, and then the music coming from here, and then I have a sound card. Look, I will open it. Kahit na no power yan, Okay, have you seen it? Oh, diba? Diba? Is it nice? That is the sound card that I'm using. So, every day, ito ang mga kapartner ko. 2 phones, 1 sound card, speakers. I got 3 spare. This one is spare. This one is the main that I'm using. So, meron tayong saksakan dyan. And then, the microphone. Yan. Merong uso ngayon. I-turn off ko muna guys kasi sayang yung charge niya. Merong uso ngayon. I saw it from my friends. They have a new sound card, mini sound card, portable sound card. They call it portable sound card because you can bring it anytime, anywhere you go. Unlike this one. Of course, this one you can bring it anytime. But the thing is, you need an power supply, hindi ba? Oh. Unlike that mini sound card na sinasabi nila, they don't use power supply. So, means charge na nila yon, rechargeable siguro yun. So, mura lang siya. The cost is almost the same. But this one is F998. A good friend of mine gave this to me. But of course, I have mine as well, but I'm not using it. So, this one is nice. F998. So, ito, hindi siya rechargeable. What do you call that? Rechargeable ba tawag nun? Yeah, siyempre, i-charge mo siya and then after a while, malulobat na siya. So, kailangan mo rin siyang i-charge ulit. Kaya lang, medyo malaki siya, the size. This one is smaller. But the one is, nauso ngayon is, yung mini sound card, the size is just like a phone, sabi ng mga friend ko. The same as a phone. So, ganito siguro ang size niya. So, parang may mic din siya or whatever. Ayan. Kaya lang, I don't think, and I'm not sure about the quality. Yeah, kung okay ba yung sound niya, okay ba lahat. So far, naririnig ko naman yung mga friends ko when they using it. Okay naman yung sounds nila. So, pero hindi ko pa siya nagamit. At hindi pa ako bumibili. So, I haven't buy it yet. So, this is the one I'm using. This one is My Concept brand. Nice ang My Concept, the same as this. But this one is a karaoke, mini karaoke. This one is not. This is a speaker only. This one is a mini karaoke. So may built-in to na microphone. And then this one as well. May built-in din siya na microphone. Pero ang microphone na built-in nila is plastic only. Unlike this one, heavy. This one is metal. This one is heavy microphone. Yeah, so ginagamit talaga ito sa ano. Yeah. Ang magandang microphone dati is yung Shure. Shure dati yung ginagamit namin eh. Kahit na pa nung unang panahon, meron ng Shure. Yeah. Maganda talaga siya. Kahit na yung dynamic lang siya na Shure. Maganda rin siya. Way back 80s, meron na talagang Shure. Ngayon na lang napamahal kasi ngayon meron ng condenser. Pero meron din Shure na microphone lang. I guess maganda din yun. Di ba? Yan nga pala bibili natin next time. Pero okay pa naman itong microphone ko nito. It's functioning pa naman. And this is brand new. I bought this just like last year only. Diba? So, yan. So, that is our ganap for today. So, until now, we don't have power, electricity, no Wi-Fi. I don't know what time they're gonna fix it or babalik ang ating internet and then the electric. Diba? So, yun. Naglaba tayo ng mabilis. So, that, ano man ang mangyari, mawalan ng tubig, mawalan ng ano, at least wala tayong maduming damit. So, that's it for today. Look at that, guys. Sinampay ko dyan yung bag ko. I bought this one last December. And this one, yung maliit na yun, is bago lang siya from Temo. Kasi wala tayong maisip na mabili. Para lang may something lang na nabili ka together with, may order kasi ako sa Temo. So, that's it for today. Once again, this is Brit Pinay. So, see you again on my next vlog. So, thank you guys. Thank you sa ating mga subscribers, sa mga followers, sa mga friends natin, sa mga viewers natin all over the world. So, once again, this is Brit Pinay from the Philippines. See you on my next vlog. Bye, guys!